right from a childhood up north, we in our school books are always reading a 4-page story about these four Sahibzades, about their valor, their courage, and the principles they had, and they never deviated from the principles that they held on to. And this story always stays with almost everyone up north, because that's told to you when you're a school child or from your grandmother or your grandparents. And this is when I wanted to make a film, something on the history of Northern India, that I approached the SGPC in Amritsar. And hence, when the permission came, I thought, let me put this film on, the story in film, which then I thought कि ये सिर्फ कुछ 45 मिनट की कहानी हो जाएगी, बहुत खींचूंगा, 4 सफ़ों में पढ़ी है, लेकिन हमें 2.25 घंटे की फिल्म को 2 घंटे में लाना पड़ा, इतनी इन्फॉर्मेशन थी इसके बारे में।
और ये एक फीचर फिल्म भी बन सकता था, लेकिन आपने ये एनिमेटेड मूवी बनाया है
इसलिए क्योंकि as per the rules of the SGPC, the controlling religious body of the Sikhs, that is Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee, they have been a part and parcel of the consultations, and no wonder you see the first title that it's with their blessings. They do not permit any gurus of our religion or any first family of the gurus to be portrayed by any live actors. So hence the only choice I had, if I had to bring this story to the world, was to have an animated film.
Oh, lovely. And producer in the movie.
Well, firstly, I just want to welcome everyone. Thank you everyone for being here. Thank you all of you for coming and helping us in this venture. A story that is, I think, very close to, obviously, my heart. Probably rather much closer to Dad's heart than my heart. I'm a Bombay boy, he's a North Indian boy. So he's probably grown up with this. I think one of the key things for this film that actually worked was, was us sitting on a dining table and actually talking about Char Sahibzade as one of the many stories that you grow up with, which your parents tell you. And there's only that much information that I had. It's only when Dad started actually, looking into this film and researching this film and finding out more and more about it. By the end of it, if you actually walk into his office, he's probably got close to 30 odd books on Sikhism. There is no historian he's not met, traveled to different parts of Punjab, met pretty much everyone there, just to get the real stories out. I mean, at the end of the day, this is history. This is something that happened, 300 odd years ago. So it's pretty much everything's based on facts, and I think for me it was pretty much being with him through this journey, even though, it's animation and we're sort of crossing our fingers and hope, that it gets widely accepted. Obviously he took up the challenge of making it 3D, which I'd like to thank Prasad from iRealities, who's been a very, very strong support system in this. And together, I think, they've done everything they could.
Yeah.
So, what kind of research has gone into it, since it is an epic movie, it's historical?
Actually, there are so many incidents that have happened up north, and so every historical evidence is there, what happened where. Primarily because it was those very disturbing days of the in the 17th century, a lot of war zone, of a lot of upheavals in wars, battles. So mostly the evidence of the forts and everything has been destroyed. But there are very few evidences. When you see the film, we probably in the end of the film show you that picture of what I showed you is a replica of the exact thing that is there in Punjab today. So there's a lot of evidence of history that is right there, and it's all that within about the 20, 30 mile sort of radius area. So I have made sure that any and everything that possibly is there. So I went there, clicked the pictures, went to my animation studio with Mr. Prasad and his team, told them this is the tree where Guru Gobind Singh laid at night and rested. That tree is still there, there's a Gurdwara there, so we created the same tree, same bark, same leaves, everything same, and replicated in the film. Even the